this is how I do a magic ring. I lay the yarn over my fingers, not all of them. I need this one later, and this finger can be included or not depending on how big you want the ring. Yarn around here and then cross it on the top, and that's where I'm now grabbing it with this finger. Hook under this one, grab this one, pull it this way and give it a twist. Whoops. Give it a twist as you come up. Now if you let go here, it's very loosey-goosey. So to keep everything together, we just chain one. If you are going to do something in there, usually we do single crochets or double crochets or chain first. Whatever you need to do when you're done doing whatever you're doing, you pull the tail and it gets very, very tight. That is the point of it. You probably would never put just one in there, but that's what I'm going to show you.